Let's make mayai, eggs, and chapati mixed together called Rolex. So there is you have eggs, put in some salt, then you mix, mix and mix and mix and mix until you feel it's okay. You just mix and 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 mix. I put in the oil in a pan, then let the oil pan boil, whatever you like, and add in the eggs and you salad. Yay, yay, yay. There you have the eggs, the nice golden brown color. And there's a leftover chapati there with a lot of maps and breakups. So put in your eggs, then you roll because you want it to be a Rolex roll. Oh, the chapati was breaking up and rolled and rolled.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah, cut it a bit. Yeah, it's a finished product. Add in some orange, some tea, and you have it.